Wagwan YouTube family. TeflonDon there with another bomb, you know. A long time you plan this one, yeah. Angel not stop mash me up with the brown, you know. But you said today, I'm not going surf here. I'm not going surf here. Me not even tell no one me I could do. I have to stay tuned for what I could do. Because you see this one here. This one I go mash up YouTube. Remember me tell you so. Guys, me tell you say Team Teflon you be put in the comments them Team Teflon. Because when you see that one here, you know, a murder. Yo, me I promise I say me go mash up and cash now stop catching with the bang of them, you know. But you said this one, I'm not going to cry for you. Angel, I'm going to get you and I'm going to get her good. She inside already, me tell her, so we are going for your ride. We are going for your ride, yes. Final ride. Don't say nothing. She go ball, she can't ball to me, she have to go ball to Jesus when we done with her. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Team Teflon, share it out people. Don't call her now. Shh. I'm gonna act like we just do a regular vlog on the road. So you see me, so she go have the camera and make it look like a regular vlog. And then I'm gonna start my thing. Watch it people. See you in a second. Peace. Angel, you ready? Yeah, man, I'm ready. I put on my shoes. Yeah, man, we are do a vlog today, people. You see me? Yeah. So wait for Angel to come out that door. Yeah. Go up on a nice little drive. You know what I say? A nice little drive. Yeah. Oh, you happy, sir? Oh, you happy, sir? Eh? Oh, you happy, sir? You must have do a little vlog on the road. Come here, baby, how you sweet? Oh, Yo, we're gonna do a little vlog on the road.
We're gonna link up. We're gonna link up
on the road, people.
On the road, you see me?
Alright, people. We're gonna go on the road, gonna do a little vlog. So,
Oh my goodness!
see you in a second, guys. Later.
Guys, welcome back to our channel.
Big up on yourself.
Well, Teflon says he's going to buy me pizza. So let us see.
Go up on a drive, you see me?
Drive out setting.
Pretty
How
wife.
y'all doing? And
Wagwan,
guys,
people.
remember,
Subscribe.
like, comment,
Team
share.
Teflon.
Team Angel all day, every day. Teflon beg for this. I don't have to beg for this. I put in my work for this.
Hey, no worry yourself.
I put in my work for
You're doing a
this.
good job, so that's why I buy one pizza today. You see me? I buy one pizza today. Yeah. What kind of pizza you love, baby? I do like a road vlog.
What kind of pizza me like?
You love sausage.
What kind of pizza me like?
Sausage pizza.
What kind of sausage pizza?
Yo,
You have your own mind not even know what kind of pizza shit.
I love pepperoni and sausage.
Okay then. Hey yo,
Pepperoni.
God, people, Team Angel.
Team
You
Teflon.
understand?
Yeah. Yeah, man, we dip on the road, people, so we want to reach further down the road. See me? Talk to the people and tell you what I go and tell them, say,
When we reach further
the bangers
down.
are coming.
Bangers, what me say, remember, Team Angel all day, every day,
Team
right?
Teflon.
Team huh?
Teflon.
Alright, so him say.
Yeah.
Me I give him time for talk. Team Angel all day, every day, period.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day, people. It's a beautiful day. See me?
Yes, we thank God for this day.
Yeah, man. Show the people on the road. That's
You
it's beautiful.
understand?
Show them the road. Show them the road how it's beautiful.
Okay, guys, look
Beautiful
at
day.
the road. You understand? It's a sunny
Country
day.
life. Beautiful life.
Sunny day.
Yeah, man, beautiful, beautiful.
Talk to the people them. Talk to the people them.
Big up, big up, big up.
Teamwork.
Teflon.
Team Angel all day every day. Right, that's the right through. Watch the road settings. Take time with me now. Come to you, bro.
Well, get a pizza, you see me?
Come to you. Woo-wee. I like this from why.
Yeah, man. I get one nice drive today and get a pizza. Final drive.
Woo! Oh shit! Oh shit! So if a pizza settings this how we are turned on here, so?
We take a shortcut, baby. We take a shortcut.
I don't know about them. I don't trust
Shortcut. So you know what shortcut? Sometimes we get
no man. No, what kind of me don't like shortcut? Shortcut draw blood. Me don't like them set me.
You just want to take the longer way. Well, no, shorter way. Because it's a beautiful day in the country. You see me? Yeah. This I go down the road. You see me? Get a pizza, nice like a pepperoni slice for you. You see me?
Which
you
part
slice up the pizza and get a nice slice, yeah?
Which part don't
yo, the pizza going the best pizza you ever going to eat. The last time the best pizza you ever gonna eat.
With a homemade pizza?
Yeah.
A homemade?
No, we're gonna go to Pizza Hut.
Me don't like pizza Hut, you know me don't like pizza.
Yo, you see when you eat this a pizza, you're not gonna want no more pizza again.
This does sound right.
Yeah.
This does sound right.
Yes, people, big up on yourself. But there, you see me?
Anyway.
Country life.
Remember, share it out on all platforms, y'all. Okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend, and that friend will tell another friend about this channel. Okay?
Yeah,
okay.
I feel good in the idea.
Why you feel good?
I feel good and I feel sad at the same
Why you feel sad?
Soon tell you why I feel sad, but you know, wait a little bit because it's gonna be a surprise. You have a surprise for you, baby.
What? Surprise?
Yes, man.
What kind of surprise?
Something shiny. You'll get something shiny, baby. Something shiny.
I could never ring him at that.
Me I get something very nice, people.
Wait,
so quiet, man. You know want something?
No, me no like surprises. How far we are got Teflon?
Just down the road, this is where I go. Show them the place. I say, yeah, I just down the road we are.
People, look on the road at Teflon say pizza out there.
Me say we are take a shortcut.
And where that shortcut lead to? Which road?
Yeah, go through where we drop out down the road, this so.
Drop out on the hill?
Down the road, this is where I go.
Alright.
You know love the country road?
No, me like main road. Me not like shortcut road.
Baby, I'm your gear. Something where you deserve.
What I deserve.
You know some love her. You know some love her.
You love me?
Yeah. I love you so much. You see me? I love you till. You know me I say? You may say a death do us part, you know?
You know if you can say it.
A death do us part. You see?
Death do us part.
Yeah?
Guys, me not like that drive out, yeah.
So one thing, you go like you never go through bush road before.
No, me never go through bush, my love.
People never drive through bush road before. Jesus, you don't know auntie you. You don't know me tell you something I love you. You see me?
Yeah, tell me say you love me too much time.
I love you, baby.
Me not like too much love in a one.
I love you till me tell you, me love you till me fool.
You love me till you tell me.
You love me till me
People
fool.
ain't care talk, you know. Why? Come like a hilltop.
Why me can't talk? Me not like when you talk to me, say no.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Me like when me talk, me don't talk to me too. It's like when me
Come
feel.
like we are go through the mountain.
It's like when me feel, you know, when me feel a way about something still, you know. Yeah.
Where you feel though? Boy, God, you make my heart feel weak.
Okay.
What?
My kiss. Give me a kiss.
Me feel me afraid.
Give me afraid for what? Give me a final kiss. Yeah.
Final kiss?
Me kiss. Give me a kiss.
Me bumbo clean. I kill you to care me go kill me.
Kill you. Oh shit! Oh, I'm gonna kill you for me love you. You love your baby. Me not doing a thing to you.
Oh my God.
I'm sitting with you.
Me heart. Reaching on me neck. Woi. TeflonDon.
Oh, what?
Baby, me not like them bush here. Me I get nervous.
Don't ball to me. Cry to God. Cry to Jesus.
It's afraid.
Man, they have something to tell us still.
What?
Something to tell you.
What?
I have something to tell you.
What's that? So you can't have to propose to me in a bush?
I give you something shiny because it's been on my mind from last night.
It's been on your mind from last night.
I don't know how to say this.
So why me have to hold the camera?
Because me want to talk to you. Vlog, we have vlog, yeah. You see me?
My heart feel away.
Vlog, we have vlog still. Alright. I'll tell you what I'm going. You see me love you, right? Oh, you look so afraid. You look so afraid for what? You don't love me?
Yeah, but...
Alright, here we're going. Serious now. Last night when I was asleep, I got to your phone.
But dead now.
We got your phone.
Listen on my phone.
Me see I text one man.
Me a text man?
Me see I text one man in your phone last night.
So you can't me a bush for kill me?
What you talk about? Me not kill you.
So where you can't run?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You too lie. No man no in on my phone.
Me say last night, me got your phone.
What your name?
I don't remember my name, but me see I talked to somebody last night. I texted for the other day, I don't like it. You see me?
So what the deal?
So me tell you, I give you something shiny. Because me just want to put an end to this once and for all. Okay? I into the... So me can't touch you again?
Into what?
Me don't want you to talk to no man, other man again. Me don't want you to talk to no other man again. Me just want you to talk, just me. I want you to be the last person you're with on this earth. Come here, me tell you. Me go get something. So come here.
Bruh.
And me not trust this, yeah.
Me say, come on, me give you something shiny. Come here. Come no, baby. Come out of the car.
Me nah come out.
Come out of the car.
Me nah come out.
Come out of the car. Come here. I talk to you. Me not doing nothing. Come here. Me give you something shiny. Come here.
What is?
Even don't know why she's so nervous. I just something shiny me out gear. You see me? Come no man. Come.
Stop the video.
Come. Me say,
Video now?
come out of the car.
Me nah.
Blood clot, come out of the car. You see me I laugh, me not do nothing to you, me not give you something shiny.
The sun done a shine already. Me no want no more shine.
Come here. Yo, what's your going, sir? Me couldn't do nothing to you, have it on tape. Come here.
Me happy pause.
Come here. Just come here. Come here. Go on, come here, me go
Me
get.
nah come now way. Me nah want going on my dead, you idiot. Me nah come.
No, but
You want me going on my dead?
Stop going, son, man.
Me nah want going on my dead.
Come here.
Me kill me
Alright,
but me nah want going on.
Alright, hold this. Hold this now.
I'm free.
The free come here. Come here, man. Tell us that. I love you, baby. Me not being.
Yeah, me nah want me going on my dead.
No. Me say, come here.
Me nah go run there. Me nah want no camera. Hold this. You want me video me a dead?
Alright, come here. You got me something, I give you something shiny.
Me no want no shine.
Come here. I'll show you something. Show you how I love you. Come here. Let me show you how I love you. Come here. Come here.
Push power where I go.
right there, so.
You must have blood clot, man.
Yes.
Me nah go round. Let me stop that camera here.
No, it's a something. Now here's something shiny. Come here. Come here now. Come here. I just right there, so it's a secret. Me have to tell you and round there, so me buy one piece of land. Buy one piece of land round there, so. Come now. Sure, me don't know where I go. Me say me buy one piece of land round there, so. Me don't know. Me show you the land we gonna build with house. I something shiny. Me I show you.
Something shiny on the land.
Yeah. Hold this to me, cause me want. Come on, me I show it, but me cannot show. Come on, man. You know, say me love you.
People. If me dead.
One no man,
Yeah, show me now me dead.
One no man.
Me not trust. You say
One no. You know, say me love you and me not do nothing to you. You see? Me not do nothing to you.
People. Teflon. I carry me in and me dead.
Eh? Me not do a thing to you. See me?
How far around the land? Me nah no.
You tell us the blood clot. You tell us the last time you seen it.
So what me have video my dead for?
Fuck your blood clot. Where you chat to man for? Eh?
Yeah,
Where you chat to man for?
Teflon, me not hold this. Me
Chop up your blood clot.
not go on my business.
Come here. Run your pussy. Come here. Come here. Come here. What you chat to man for? Come here. The blood clot. No, say me can't run. Come here. No, come here, no.
No, me not go with you.
No. Wait. Wait.
Where you go?
No, you're kidding me.
Me nah do nothing to you. Yo. Me nah video. Me nah do nothing to you. Me nah do nothing to you. In him blood clot. What you know? Come here. Come here, man. Come here.
You come up in my bed.
Come here. Joking? You look like me a joke? You look like me a joke? We are chatting clot TikTok and sit. Rice blood clot chasing here. Come on, man. Take your clot, come here. You know something, come here.
You want to keep your car.
Yo, come here. Chop up him.
You idiot. You want to keep
I said, come here. I said, come here, man. You have to come explain to me why you clot, man. Come here.
Let me ask you something. You bring pussy come from this.
Yo, me. What the tell you say for first time? Me and you married. Come here. Till death do a spot. Where you run for?
Let me ask you a question. You want to kill people at the car run.
Yo, come here, man. Come on. Clat round ya. Clat round ya. Then left you round ya. You not even know where you're there. You not even know where you're there. Yo, she thinks I'm serious, you know. She thinks I'm serious, people. Me tell her some, thinks that she can prank the Don and get away with it. Yeah? Thinks that she can prank the Don and get with it. Chop up him. Yes, Jack. Where are they? Where they come here, baby? I love you. You can't wait for all you. Yo. Come on, man. Babes. Oh, you know. Oh, you know, answer. Come here. Babes, it's a prank. It's a prank.
Got him! Got him!
Yo. I tell you, my girl running a bush down a one gully. I choose she knows me can't follow her. Yo. Come here, baby, it's a prank. Where you there? I didn't reach back yet. Yo. That one here. Epic.
My nigga.
Remember me tell you that. You see she can't mess with Team Teflon and get ready.
Yeah, idiot.
You can't mess with Team Teflon and get ready. Eh?
So weird.
Eh?
Who do run for their life? You damn idiot. People, me say get Me say, people.
Hey.
Of course, me say people want to kill people and carry around. Eh? Move, man.
Oi, come here.
Wow.
Come here. Come here.
Hey, girl, you want water? What till that?
Tell them. Team Teflon.
Are you there? This is
Tell him.
team. You
Yo, you ain't nervous? You ain't nervous?
You run for my life.
Feel
You're
hot.
nervous.
Feeling hot. Me say you
Yeah,
hot a
me.
bit.
Team
People.
Angel, guys.
You see me mash him up. He can't mash with. He can't
He
hang
want
with me.
he want
He
kill
can't
people
hang
and
with me.
he want kill people and he can't run. When me run left him have to stand up and I run off him out. Mad people.
Yo.
Anyways, guys, Team
People.
Angel all day, every day.
Team Teflon.
Son of bite.
Banger. Big people, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. The bangers are coming. Me loving you guys. Peace.